Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Honda Accord cabin air filter. First, understand that this simple maintenance task significantly improves the air you breathe inside your car and helps your heating and air conditioning system run more efficiently. You'll need a new cabin air filter, which you can find at any auto parts store, and sometimes a small flathead screwdriver. It's generally recommended to change this filter every 15,000 to 30,000 miles, or about once a year. To begin, open your glove box and remove all contents to give yourself plenty of room to work. Next, locate the dampener arm, typically on the right side of the glove box. Push this arm down or inward to unhook it from its attachment point. With the dampener arm free, gently push inward on both the left and right sides of the glove box. This action will release the plastic stops, allowing the glove box to swing down further, revealing the filter housing behind it. Once the glove box is lowered, you'll see a rectangular plastic cover, which is the cabin air filter housing. This cover usually has two tabs, one on each side. Squeeze these tabs inward and pull the cover straight off to expose the old filter. Before you remove the old filter, pay close attention to the airflow arrow printed on its frame. This arrow indicates the direction air flows through the filter, which is crucial for correct installation of the new one. Now, simply slide the old filter out. With the old filter removed, insert your new cabin air filter into the housing. Make sure the airflow arrow on the new filter points in the exact same direction as the old one. Slide it in until it's fully seated. Then, reattach the filter housing cover, ensuring both clips snap securely into place. Lift the glove box, pushing in on the sides to re-engage the stops and reattach the dampener arm. Close the glove box and you're all set. Enjoy your cleaner air. And hey, if you're looking for other great deals, check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and more.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.